8 things you probably didn't know about Mars. Hello, and thank you for stopping by our channel, Weird World Facts Channel, where we bring you the most interesting, weird, and awe-inspiring information from around the world. If you are following our previous videos, then you already know we explore the bizarre and fascinating world of science, celebrities, and successful people to uncover their weird facts and newest updates. Today we are going to explore some unknown and interesting facts about our planet's little red sibling. We've known about it for thousands of years, but it wasn't until the space age that mankind realized how weird the red planet is. Mars is one of our nearest neighbors. It is also the expected destination of humanity's next trip into space. But don't be fooled. Despite its proximity, we know virtually little about this fascinating small red planet. Let's find out what we know, or we think we know, about our planet's little red sibling. 1. The seasons on Mars. Yes, just like Earth, Mars has a tilted axis, which enables it to experience spring, summer, autumn, and winter, due to the varying levels of sunlight reaching the planet's surface as it rounds the sun. The seasons are almost twice as long as those on Earth, yet they still occur. If you take a vacation to Mars one day, you may find yourself falling in love with the seasons. It's a little taste of home on an otherwise foreign planet. 2. Mars year. On Earth, a year consists of 365 days. Mars year is 687 days long, which is almost twice as long as ours. Apparently, you had never heard of that one before. 3. Want to lose a few pounds? Simply go to Mars. On Mars, a person weighing 100 pounds on Earth would only weigh 38 pounds. Obviously, weight is only the result of the interplay between gravity and matter, and it is only in our puny human existence that our weight has any emotional or global significance. But if you want a quick way to lose weight, travel to Mars. 4. Mars has 2 moons. Phobos and Deimos are Mars' 2 moons. Mars derives its name from the Roman god of battle. Therefore, the moons are named Phobos, which means fear or panic, and Deimos, which means horror or dread. The moons were found in 1877, and there is still a great deal of controversy about their origin. The moons resemble asteroids closely. Numerous individuals believe they formerly inhabited the asteroid belt and were drawn to Mars by its gravity. Others believe that when Mars was originally forming, it was encircled by many objects. Only Phobos and Deimos remained inside the asteroid belt. 5. Bits of Mars have actually reached Earth in the past. Believe it or not, scientists believe they have uncovered confirmation that small chunks of Mars have really fallen on Earth in the past. Known as Martian meteorites, they are tiny fragments of rock that mysteriously reached Earth. This may seem inconceivable, yet when massive asteroids strike planets over time, fragments of their surfaces are blasted away. These strikes unleash a large quantity of ejecta that send items out into space if the impact is powerful enough. This ejecta may have enough energy to leave the planet's gravity well and travel throughout the solar system before being impacted by another planet's center of gravity. Moreover, such occurrences seem to be rather prevalent. As of the year 2020, around 277 meteorites discovered on Earth are believed to have originated from Mars. That may seem like a lot, but that is a fraction of 1% of all verified meteorites discovered on Earth. 6. Tallest mountains in the solar system. Olympus Mons, an extinct volcano, is one of the most famous mountains of Mars. It is also the highest peak in our solar system, measuring 13.7 miles in height. We are familiar with 14ers and have seen photographs of the famed Mount Everest. Olympus Mons rises almost 70,000 feet into the Martian sky, dwarfing these structures. In other words, Mount Everest could be stacked 2.5 times and still not reach the same height as Olympus Mons. 7. Polar ice caps on Mars. Mars is the only planet outside Earth with polar ice caps. Galileo Galilei first observed the planet with a telescope in 1610. By the turn of the century, the polar ice caps of Mars had been detected. This ice has played an important role in the quest for past, current, and possibly future life on Mars. One of Mars' ice caps is composed mostly of frozen CO2. The other is composed primarily of water. Therefore, if any planet in our solar system outside Earth has life or had life, Mars would be an excellent choice since it contains water. I believe that the possibility of life is what really makes Mars unique from the other worlds. 8. Mars is populated entirely by robots. There is life on Mars. Currently, though, there is just robot life. Currently, 7 remotely controlled vehicles on Mars conduct a wide variety of research and observations. There are 4 spacecraft in orbit that primarily observe atmospheric and surface conditions. In addition, there are 3 surface vehicles that investigate the composition and geography of the planet's surface. These facts may sound strange and unbelievable, but they are all true and verified by various sources. So this is all for today. 8 different facts about Mars. Do let us know which one of them you find interesting in the comments section. And for all of you who stayed with us until the very end, here are some bonus facts for you. A trip to Mars takes around 8 months each way, which is somewhat longer than astronauts' stays on the International Space Station. If you've ever wondered why our red neighbor is named Mars, it's because the Roman god of war was given that name. This is supposed to be connected to Mars' remarkable blood red hue as seen from Earth. For the same reason, the ancient Greeks called the planet Ares after their own god of battle. Even more interesting, this technique was not exclusive to ancient Europe. Other ancient civilizations, like as Chinese astronomers who called Mars the fire star, were similarly influenced by its color. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have learned something new today, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Weird World Facts. Give it thumbs up and ring the notification bell button for our latest video updates.